Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to put Threads link on Instagram bio. So first download the Threads app from your app store and then go to the Instagram app, and from here you can see the Threads, and open your Threads and sign up into your Instagram account, and then from here tap share profile and then copy your profile link, and now go to Instagram, tap edit profile, and from here on the link paste this Threads link and save it. So from here you can see your Threads link on your bio. So yeah, this is how you can put Threads link in your Instagram bio. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.